Hey guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. I've got Andrew filming kind of between sides. He's got this side finished up, but there is a, it's called a body mount shop on a Toyota Tacoma. So if you're trying to run 33s, the body mount back here gets in the way and causes some rubbing. So we'll get a little light on the subject here. So what he did was he, hold that light for you, he just notched that out right here. There are kits for this, but it's just a extra expense. We can actually make that with the sheet metal that we have here. But we got it all painted up, cleaned up, and this should clear those 33s. So I will get back behind the camera and I will show you what Andrew's doing on the other side and show you just how much he's taking off. That's how you do the Tacoma body mount shot. So we do that here. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and give us a call if you need to do that to your Tacoma to fit a little bigger tires.